Okay, today we're talking wood shake roofs, or rather replacing wood shake roofs, alternatives. If you had a wood shake roof installed in the 90s, early 2000s, my apologies, it's probably not doing well. The reason it's not doing well is most of the builders were putting them over solid surface decking, that is OSB or plywood. The way wood shakes are supposed to be installed is on a spaced decking system, planks. They have come a long ways with developing some underlayments that allow these shakes to breathe, but back then they were just using felt. It did not allow for the system to breathe. So the problem with that is these are going to break down and rot because they're wicking up moisture. If you would go to a north elevation or north slope of a house, or under a tree, or where downspout might be shedding water onto the roof, most likely they're all rotten. So it's a huge problem with wood shakes installed in the 90s, and these shakes, roofs that were put on then, are all pretty much failing and ready for replacement. We like a couple alternatives to wood shake. The first would just be an asphalt traditional shingle system, and they make what's called a designer series. They're shingles that look like either slate or shake. They're usually heavy in weight, 400 or 500 pounds a square, where a traditional dimensional roof might only be 200 or 300 pounds per square. So they're a great product. They've come a long ways. We've had a lot of luck and a lot of happy customers with designer series shingles. The other thing we like to do is install synthetic shakes. That would be man-made products, and they're designed to look like real shake or slate. We've had a lot of luck with these, super happy customers. The reason these can be installed over solid surface decking is they're not permeable. So this is not going to absorb water. Where a wood shake's going to absorb water, not dry out and rot, this is going to be extremely rotten resistant. It's a super heavy product. I like to use a company out of Iowa called Brava. We've had a lot of luck and a lot of success with them. So we're super excited to continue our relationship with them, and we're big believers in the synthetic shake. It's now to the price point that it costs less than a wood shake system, and I believe is better. Another thing that's becoming very popular is a combination of, let's say, an asphalt roof on the main body of the house and then a standing seam metal roof on either a dormer or an accent, an eyebrow or porch system. Those look super slick, and it's really a cool look. Many of our new customers, high-end customers, are going to that, and we're excited to complete those projects. So part 2 of this series is going to be all about metal roofing, and we'll get into the different types and what we install or like to install. Thanks.